Hello guys, this is Aryan and in this video I'll be sharing 10 lines essay about camel. Number 1. Camels are mammals. Number 2. Camels are very social. Number 3. Camels are known for their patient and calm nature. Number 4. They often prefer to live in groups. Number 5. They have distinctive humps on their backs. Number 6. They can store fat in their humps. Number 7. They have a keen sense of smell and hearing. Number 8. A camel's lifespan is typically 40 to 50 years. Number 9. They can travel long distances without needing to drink for extended periods. Number 10. Camels play a crucial role in many desert communities. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, kindly subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Thank you.